Good morning. So, what's your name?
Ma'am, my name is Akriti Malhotra.
So, what is the meaning of Akriti?
Ma'am, Akriti means shape.
Okay. So, tell me something about yourself.
Ma'am, I have completed my schooling from Bharat Ashram Public School, Delhi. And then after I have completed my BBA from IP University and from Mirabai Institute of Technology, Maharani Bagh. And ma'am, I belong to a joint family. And my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. I have one younger sister who is completing her schooling.
Okay, so you have taken finance. So,
Yes.
why you have taken finance?
Ma'am, I have taken finance because of my keen interest in financial management. When I was doing BBA, so I developed my interest and I have decided to make my career in financial management. Ma'am, and also I scored 78% marks in financial management.
Very good. So, your calculation is very good, right?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, describe a situation when you have faced a stressful situation and how you have tackled that situation.
Ma'am, in India, I'm only in first semester. We have to give 3 exams in one day. And on the other hand, my sister was in typhoid and she was hospitalized. So I have to deal with both of the situation and I have to divert time. I have to give my exams and that too I have to handle my family too. So ma'am, I handle this situation with my time management skills.
Okay. Okay. So, why you have chosen this college?
Ma'am, I have chosen NDIM because NDIM comes in the top 15 colleges in Delhi. And ma'am, secondly, we have very good faculty here which provide me help when I need. And ma'am, thirdly and most importantly, NDIM provides me many opportunities to sit in front of the best companies to get placed.
That's really nice. Good. So, what has Indian have given you?
Ma'am, NDIM has firstly given me and improved my presentation skill. NDIM has given me the confidence to speak in front of the audience without getting nervous, and now I can tell you that my presentation skills are 80 to 90% better than it was when I was not a student of NDIM.
So, it built confidence in you, right?
Yes, ma'am. I also learned here time management, as we have to manage our time in presentation and in academic studies also. So I also learned how to manage time.
That's really nice. Good. So, what are your weaknesses?
Ma'am, I have one weakness that I'm not an extrovert. I'm not too social person. So sometimes I face difficulty because of it.
So, you don't have many friends?
No, ma'am, I have friends, but real ones.
Okay, limited friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how you can cover this weakness?
Ma'am, in India, I have tried to cover this weakness or to develop it. As India taught me how to network with people or how to stay connected. So now I build my networks and I try to be connected with people much better.
Okay, so can you work in team environment?
Yes, ma'am. Of course, I can work in team environment, as I have given many presentation in India. I am in team, and I contributed equally. And many times my team was the best.
That's really nice. Nice to hear that. So give me one reason why should I choose you in SIP?
Ma'am, it is definitely your decision whether to choose me or not. But ma'am, I would like to tell you that your company is my dream company, and
Okay. So give me one reason why should I choose you in SIP?
ma'am, definitely it's your decision whether to hire me or not. Ma'am, but I would like to tell you that your company is my dream company, and if you choose me for SIP, so in future if I got opportunity to work with your company, so you will not invest any cost and in training me, because you can I will be trained in this 8 weeks.
Surely even I want to work. Okay. So, what are your strengths?
Ma'am, my strengths are I'm a good coordinator and a very good team worker. I'm in India. I'm only I have to when there was an NHRDN quiz of business leadership. So I was a volunteer to coordinate it, and I was appreciated by my teachers that we did a very good work in team.
Okay, nice. So you have experience of coordinating many things
Yes,
in
ma'am.
your college only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So, how you see yourself after 5 years?
Ma'am, honestly, I don't have an idea of after 5 years, but surely I will hard work, and I see myself to be a financial manager of a good company, and leading a team of 10 to 15 people in a company.
Alright, nice. So, in real life, who is your idol?
Ma'am, in real life, my father is my idol because he is a very hardworking person. Matlab, who is he? He is on his own, and he is a very responsible and a honest person also. He motivates me to be a manager and to be independent in my life.
Yeah, he's a businessman.
Yes, ma'am, he is a businessman.
Okay, he worked hard so that he is owning his own business.
He worked hard to start his own business. He doesn't get help from any family member.
Okay, nice, nice. Are you open for transfer to any state?
No, ma'am, because my family will not allow me.
Why?
Mom, because he doesn't feel like I should go out of my state or not. I can maintain a balance in my work life and my personal life as well. So they feel that I should work in this state only, in Delhi.
Okay. Is there any possible if you really want to have to organization will send you for 1-2 days, will you able to?
Yes, ma'am. I can
1-2
manage.
days.
I can manage. That I can manage.
Okay, good. That's good. So, what value you will bring to my organization?
Ma'am, definitely I'll add value to your organization by my skill and my theoretical knowledge which I gained from India. I developed many skills to add to any organization or to definitely make a difference in your organization.
Okay, so what was your best decision ever with
Ma'am.
alternatives?
Ma'am, I feel my best decision is to choose finance in this college because this college is basically support marketing, or this is a marketing college. So my friends also told me to take marketing. My family also said that if you feel finance is difficult, so take marketing. But I stick to my decision and I choose finance, and I think it is my best decision.
Okay, if I will give you a situation, how will you make a decision?
Ma'am, I will list all the alternative what I have, and I will always mark the disadvantages and advantages of that decision and all the alternatives, and then I'll choose the alternative which has maximum advantages for me.
So you see the all pros and cons
Yes, ma'am.
while making your decision.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Thank you so much. Nice to hear your opinions towards my organization.
Thank you, ma'am.